Hello, future millionaire. This is my introduction video for today's main topic, Bitcoin Cash versus Shiba Inu. Yes, you must have been waiting very long for such a video to come by. Now I've just made it at the marina. This part is just a simple introduction. I want you to understand this part of the video is very important. Watch it. Watch its entirety. It's only a couple of minutes. It's not too long, not too short. Perfect for you to get an understanding why Bitcoin Cash is going to $5,000. Why once we cross 1,000, something like what happened to Shiba Inu is going to happen to Bitcoin Cash. You should definitely not miss this video. Now, let me give you some panning shots of this area. This place is called Calypso Bay. It's one of the hidden gems on the Gold Coast. Used to be nobody wants to live here, but I predict with Kumaro connector being built in the next 10 years, this whole area will boom like there's nothing else. This is their clubhouse, public accessible. I'll give you guys a bit idea how it looks like. And please continue watch this video because I'm going to explain everything about Bitcoin Cash versus Shiba Inu. All right, see you in the next part. Continue watching. Hello, future millionaire. In the background, you see an old Model S 85P, D, or whatever names. It's an old car, not mine. This one is mine. Here I'm at a very special location, and I want to introduce you to this place. This is on the northern side of Gold Coast. It's actually far away from everybody else, but they're building a new highway towards this direction called the Kumaro connector. Therefore, I predict this place is going to boom like crazy. So you can see the first glimpse of what kind of lifestyle people get here. But more important is I want to talk today actually about Bitcoin Cash, less about real estate or boats and things like that. I just find it's a very nice background for you guys to learn something about Bitcoin Cash. I'm gonna go in the shade, so it's gonna make it a bit easier for me to make a video in there. Now, in the last few days, particularly last week, everybody knows Shiba Inu has been going up like crazy, and I get a lot of requests asking me about what's going on there. Particularly, people wants to find out, is Shiba Inu the absolute best coin you can buy? What is the one thing that people should be paying attention to? So I want you to understand that anybody who made money from Shiba Inu and coins like that actually are prime for investing in Bitcoin Cash. Why do I say that? Think about this way. The reason why people buy into Shiba Inu because people think that Dogecoin has gone up and Shiba Inu is a clone of Dogecoin. And I think most people don't quite understand the difference between a clone or a fork. Shiba Inu is not a fork, it's a clone. But the people who make money in Shiba Inu knows that anything that shares similar fame, like the original coin like Doge, has the potential to run up, particularly when the original market cap is small. Pay attention to the market cap. The reason why Shiba Inu is able to do 300% in, let's say, a week or half is because of small market cap. All you need is a couple of people gang up together, start moving the coin, then the rest of the crowd is going to move in and join the party. So the same thing can anytime happen to Bitcoin Cash. However, just like in Bitcoin Cash situation right now, nobody can predict when the run will start. Also, nobody can predict when the run will start in Shiba Inu. So anytime you can see people start to get into those coins is something that orchestrated by people you don't know. So here in Bitcoin Cash land, I can tell you this. In the background, there are enough people I know of who are getting ready for a big push. Can't tell you who they are and all the stuff, of course, but I tell you this. There's a reason why I'm starting making videos again. Okay, I don't do things randomly. If I think nothing's going on, I'm gonna stay on my vacation indefinitely. However, things is gonna start move up very, very soon. So I want you guys who watch my channel get a head up, knowing that things is about to come. The volatility is gonna go up dramatically in Bitcoin Cash. So I want you to understand that and get a head up for this. I can't give you any price prediction other than $1,000 next target, but $5,000 the year-end target. But if you look at what happened to Shiba Inu, you understand that once we cross over $1,000, $1,000 to $5,000 is really just a matter of days. It can be happening in a matter of days because all you need is a couple of big whales push the price above certain limit, then all the stop losses for the bear camp is gonna get triggered. And unlike on the bullish camp, if somebody set a stop loss, they can set it relatively far away from major resistance. But in shorts, when you short a share or short a commodity, or in this case shorting a small volatile crypto like Bitcoin Cash, what you do is you will set very, very, very tight limits. Because if you don't set the very tight limits, then when this thing start to run up like crazy, then you suddenly get triggered 50% above your original profit points. So therefore, to limit your any losses, anybody who's shorting Bitcoin Cash, for example, will have to truly limit their own stop losses very tightly. So I reckon, this is my speculation now, don't trade on my speculation, I reckon $1,050 is the trigger point. $1,050, once we cross $1,050, then all bets are off, basically. Then they all have to cover like crazy. Just like those people who traded Shiba Inu. Trust me, there are people who also shorted Shiba Inu and got a behind handed them. So same thing will happen in a very, very quick period of time. Same thing can happen to Bitcoin Cash. This is the strongest correlation I can give you between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin Cash. So I truly want you to understand that this kind of thing, you can't predict this thing up to the minute thinking, okay, I wait until someone start to buy this coin, then I get in. You can do that, but you're going to miss out the first 30%, 40%, because this can happen overnight. Literally what happened to Shiba Inu, the same thing can happen overnight to Bitcoin Cash as well. So I'm going to move around a little bit, maybe give you guys a bit better view. So basically, I want you to understand that right now everybody is starting to get very, very interested in altcoins. And of all the altcoins out there, actually Bitcoin Cash has the most strongest and the biggest institutional support as well. So unlike Shiba Inu, when the price has gone up, a lot of institutional investors are actually legally not allowed to buy Shiba Inu. You might not even know that. However, every single institutional investor knows how to buy into Bitcoin Cash. Prime example being BCHG, the ETF for Bitcoin Cash. Right now still trading at a slight discount, I believe. So that is a great starting point if you want to get in Bitcoin Cash with your institutional money. However, the biggest institutions will create their own custodian services and put them into their own bank account or safe deposit boxes and all the stuff. So that is what all this banking institutions talk about. Only selective few cryptocurrencies give people the ability to do that. So I want you to remember this, because when things happen, it doesn't happen randomly. Most people think, oh, this thing is going to go up to 1,000, 5,000 and all this stuff. Most people think this is all random. Nothing can be further from the truth. I tell you this. Nothing is further from the truth. Nothing of that nature is random. So you want to be positioned before the move starts. You don't want to wait until the move has already been going on the way. So keep that in mind. And I wish you good luck next week, because for all you know, next week, Monday, Tuesday, this thing already starting, but I'm not promising that. Remember, don't trade based on my video, instead trade based on the fundamentals I'm telling you about. Okay, I hope this is a good video to start your week and give you a nice view of the background. And I see if I can find a better background, and I'll make other video from other places. We'll see then. See you in the next one. Bye.